Currently, the problem of acne has become very common to every boy and girl. Due to the unhealthy lifestyle and consuming oily and junk foods are the main reasons for having the acne problem on the skin. Additionally, if the digestive system is not well or they are facing the problem of constipation, then the problem of acne can also be seen. Numerous people around us are looking for a quick solution to this problem to get over it. Acne is a problem on the skin, especially on the face, which does not go quickly. Sometimes it can also make you look dull and snatch all your natural looking initially. Therefore, people facing the problem in their regular life can take the help of a homemade recipe solution to get rid of the acne problem. With the help of Raisin, people can fix the problem by sitting at their own houses. They need to follow a few steps to apply this particular dry food perfectly and correctly. As we all know, Raisin is the natural sugar candy that most people like to have as dry food. Additionally, by making raisin water, you can use this treatment to solve your acne problems. Additionally, the raisin water for acne is very beneficial and effective in getting rid of all the dark spots and sticky acne from your skin. Raisin water benefits for acne. Is raisin water good for acne? Become one of the most common questions for those facing the problem in their day-to-day life. We want to let all of them know that raisin water for acne has a lot of benefits that can help you cure your problem. It is a homemade recipe that has no additional side effects. Besides that, many people can also think about drinking raisin water for acne. How much is beneficial? To help them all here, we have come up with some of the effective benefits of raisin water for acne. Discussing each one of the benefits of this drink will help you all or encourage you all to drink the same thing for yourself to fix the problem. The most appropriate and approachable benefit is that a person can bring out drinking raisin water for acne scars. Raisin water is a high source of having potassium and magnesium. It helps to stabilize your stomach acid and restricts the entrance of acidosis. Initially, it also helps to cut down the toxicity of your blood. Drinking this water regularly will fix all the problems like pimples and other skin problems. In the end, you will receive clear acne-free skin for yourself. Raisin is also rich in fiber properties which can initially help you bring a better digestive system and throw away all the harmful toxins from your body. Eventually, drinking this water regularly can bring out the most effective result of having the drink. Moreover, raisin water for acne recipe is also helpful to balance the blood pressure. Natural ingredients like potassium balance the blood pressure and lower the sodium level in the blood quickly. When raisin comes in the form of dried, it becomes very rich in antioxidants, vitamin B, and vitamin C, which naturally increases the body immunity system. How to use raisins for acne? There are a lot of ways of using raisins for your acne problem, but the best way is to drink the raisin water every day on an empty stomach in the morning can offer you the best result. Moreover, if you want to know how to make raisin water for the skin, how to make raisin water for acne, how to drink raisin water for acne, here we will detail a step-by-step method of using raisin water for acne. At first, you will need a glass. By filling water into the glass and raisin, you will have to leave the glass overnight. On the next morning, you will have to strain out the raisin from the water. After the whole glass of raisin water, you will have to finish it off on an empty stomach. After practicing this method for several days, you will eventually get the result to see. And lastly, by drinking the water every day, eventually, we will get rid of the acne problems quickly. How many raisins to soak in water for acne? On the other side, another more crucial question while preparing the water is how many raisins to soak in water for acne. There is no particular number of raisins that you need to use while soaking into the water. However, it depends on your skin and how many acnes you have. However, it is better to use approximately 150 grams of a raisin in the water if you take the drink daily to bring out all the natural properties for your body. All the natural properties, including vitamins, antioxidants, iron, magnesium, potassium, mineral, and so on, will quickly start their work to offer your acne-free face. Thus, this is how the raisin water works itself and helps all you people get rid of acne problems naturally. If you are new to this channel, subscribe so you will be aware when we post another video on how to eat, live, and stay healthy.